Alrighty, today we're going to be designing or quickly designing a logo similar to the Twitter X icon logo. As you guys may have heard already, the Twitter branding has been redesigned. I am not sure how well thought out it was to put together or how organized it was, but it doesn't seem very organized. It still says Twitter right here on the handle, so there's definitely a lot of things that need to be changed before the whole entire brand is actually alive. So for now, we're gonna focus on this. We're gonna copy the image. We're gonna copy that. I already done something right there. I want to have a sample here just to take a look at it and see. And it seems like they have a bar. Let's see, we're going to convert that. Let's do that. And it's basically two bars. One's a little thicker than the other one with the stroke, and so basically it. Okay, we're gonna flip this one here. We're gonna center that. And that kind of already looks a little bit like it. We're gonna add a little more thickness to the stroke, and that's pretty much it. We're gonna make it let's see, width 1.5 by 1.5 inches. That should be symmetrical. Let's see. Okay, yep. Now this front bar here that has a stroke is in front of it, or at least the back bar is cut out. So we're going to expand this. So now we have a solid white. You see that shape right there, and then this solid black bar right there, and then we're gonna knock that out. And as you can see, that is the wireframe of the shapes. And that's pretty much how you would do something like that. Now, a logo should work in black and white on black as well, or a color background. So there we go. Let's say we want to put Elon Musk's face on there. Let's do this real quick, and let's do that one. Oops, place it there. We'll do the black. Well, you know what? We'll do that. And just kind of cover Elon Musk's his face right there, and we're gonna give it some opacity. There we go. And there we go. We just recreated the new Twitter logo right here. Design Agency Houston, here to help you with your branding needs. Give us a call at 832-247-9267 or visit our website, designagencyhouston.com.